My name is Sue Peschin, and I serve as President and CEO of the Alliance for Aging Research. And we're a national organization that's based in Washington, D.C., and our mission is really to promote research in order to enhance the experience of aging and health. I think as the population is aging in the United States, there's more and more awareness of the value of aging and the possibilities of aging. I think for a number of years we saw aging primarily as a burden. But I think especially with the baby boom generation, 60 today is not the same as it was a couple of decades ago. So I think the importance of the later years has really grown and is no longer necessarily seen as just a period for disability and for dependence on government programs and, as a time to just sort of stop doing any type of activity. I think now it's really seen as an opportunity period, a time to sort of reinvent yourself, to re-explore things that maybe you did prior to your working years, really take advantage of your passions. So I think there's a tremendous opportunity if, these types of breakthroughs can be successful and we can add healthy years of life. Rather than, and put off sort of that morbidity and mortality that we've experienced in previous generations. Well, I do what I do because I was lucky enough to have older people in my life for a long period of time. A lot of people never get to know their grandparents, let alone their great-grandparents. And I was lucky to know a lot, all of them. And they taught me a tremendous amount. They gave me a tremendous amount of love and support in my life. And the aging issue I've always been drawn to. I worked in Alzheimer's disease for a number of years prior to working for this organization. And I just think that there's tremendous promise in our later years of life and that we haven't reached our full potential yet in terms of keeping those later years as healthy as possible for as long as possible. And that's why I do what I do.